This video is about OpenStax Introduction to Business Textbook, Chapter 12, Outcome 6, and it has to do with how a business selects the different kinds of advertising media it's going to use. Billboards, internet, newspapers. It has to decide how it's going to communicate with its potential customers. So odd. Okay. So we're going to talk about how is technology impacting the way advertisers reach their markets. You can think about this. How do advertisers reach you? How do you find out about products and services you might not have known about, or even ones that you have known about, but the company's trying to remind you about them? So traditional media, billboards, newspapers, things like that, are losing advertising funds to the internet. Many companies are now creating blogs to get closer to customers and potential customers. And podcasts are a way that they can reach customers as well. And obviously streaming videos like these uploaded on YouTube are important social media channels. So two main factors you need to consider when selecting advertising media. One is what does it cost per contact? Meaning reaching one member of your target market. And the other one is, and reach is the number of different consumers who are exposed to a commercial at least once during a specific period, usually a month. But frequency is the number of times an individual is exposed to a message. So one person might see it, but how many times did that person see it? Because it takes a number of times usually for somebody to see a message before they decide that they want to consider buying something. And a medium's ability to reach a precisely defined market is called audience selectivity. For example, for the sunscreen product, I just did a test in Facebook, and what I wanted to find was women in the Big Island of Hawaii, ages 21 to 37, because I'm figuring they're the most likely to be mothers of young children and concerned about what kind of sunscreen they put on their children. And you can do that with social media platforms. So that's it for Outcome 6. We'll wrap that up and come back with 7 in another video.